Digitization has made its way into the patient care cycle and into the operating room. Hi, my name is Vipul Shah. Me and my team present the Connected OR, a solution engineered in India with pride by the Capgemini team. Medical environments, with the increased technological adoption, face challenges with siloed medical devices, increased time to set up the device, complex OR navigation, and barriers to access of information within and outside the hospital. The convergence of medical and digital trends have solutions to these problems through device connectivity and data sharing. Connected OR is a point-in case. The surgeon can use his BYOD tablet, pre-op and intra-op to connect to the OR devices and use the tablet post-op with the cloud for sharing of patient information and collaboration.
Surgeon is provided a centralized control system. It's a class 2 medical device running on the iPad tablet. Surgeon can use this iPad application to fetch the patient from the work list from the HRS system to set up the patients. Also, he can monitor and control the OR devices during the OP as well as capture and send the patients images and videos too.
Information along with images and videos is also posted to HIPAA Medical Cloud, from where it can be accessed via responsive web portal. The responsive web portal provides feature for management of patient information and collaboration between surgical teams and patients.
The product has transformed the workflow for the surgeons and made them more efficient and productive. The generation, storage, and access to vast data has opened up further opportunities to augment surgeons' decision making through the application of AI on clinical images. The connected healthcare technology is transforming healthcare and has amazing benefits for all the stakeholders in the delivery and receipt of care, and more importantly, improving patients' life. Thank you.